Our February take-home packs are ready for pickup now at your local branch. Maker packs are STEAM-based activities designed for children aged 5 and up. In the February package, children receive everything they need to put together an electronic Valentine's card. The Get Ready to Read packs are designed for children aged 2 to 5 and focus on developing early literacy skills. In the February Get Ready to Read pack, you'll receive all the materials and instructions you need to build a child's personalized snowman. This activity is a great way for children to practice letter recognition. We have limited supplies of the packs. If you miss out on getting one, it is easy to source at home. The instruction sheet is available on the kids section of our website if you want more details. You'll get a template of a snowman's head and a hat. If you're making this at home, if you notice the hat has a really thick band. There's also some templates for snowballs, but this is something that you can easily trace out using a cup and cut out on your own paper. And we've also supplied some color paper to mount the finished snowman on, and you can mount onto whatever paper you have at home. There's a few different ways that you can do this activity based on the developmental stage that your child's at. For a child who's very, very young, you can do all of this prep work yourself. So write out their name here, write out and paste on the letters of their name. And then every day as you're walking past the snowman, you can discuss the letters of your child's name with them and point out what the letters are, call them out and point to them. Simple, simple. A bit more advanced is for you to write out your child's name, write out the letters, but have your child assemble the letters following the order that you've written on the band of the snowman. For either of these two stages, I would recommend printing out a second set of letters. Cut them out and leave them loose. And then perhaps a daily activity for your child is to take those letters and match them up onto the letters that's on the pasted on snowman. This way they can practice recognizing and matching the letters and putting them in the correct order of their name. For a child who's learning how to print the letters of their name, parents or caregivers can print out their name on the band of the hat, and then the child can copy those letters onto each snowball for the snowman's body. For all of these stages, it's recommended that you print out your child's name correctly. So use an uppercase letter for the first letter and lowercase for the other, so that your child learns how to actually properly recognize and write those letters. This is a great activity for a family to do together. So a young child can build their snowman, and an older sibling or parents, grandparents, caregivers can make a snowman for themselves. You could even make a snow dog or a snow cat or snow bird for any pets that you have at home. The whole idea is to talk about letters, to make a connection to them, and to recognize the letters. It's great for a child to be able to recognize their own first letter to start, and then perhaps to recognize their parents' first letters. We're just talking about letters and recognizing them. In the February pack, you're also going to receive an early literacy calendar. It has great daily activities that you can do with young children to build early literacy skills. These ideas are very simple, and it's easy to do a few a week. On the back of the calendar are some simple rhymes perfect for preschoolers, and also some recommended books that are great to read with young children. One of the best ways to develop early literacy skills is to read to your child. To that end, the library has a new service in which we'll put together book bundles of children's library materials. It's easy to request a book bundle. Go to the library website, click on the Kids tab, then scroll down to the tab that says Book Bundles. This is a direct link to a form that you complete and submit. We just need your name, your library card number, some contact information, what branch you'd like to pick up the book bundle, the age of your child, and how many books you would like. Select the types of books you'd like us to bundle up for you, and then give us some information about your child's reading interests. If there's anything that you'd like us to avoid when selecting books for your child and family, fill it in here. Click on the Submit button when you're done. Oh, I think they'll like this one. We'll notify you when your book request has been filled. It may take a few days for it to travel to your local branch. Staff there will contact you when the books are ready for pickup. All you need to do is go in with your library card and staff will quickly check the items out to you. The items have a 3-week loan period and can be returned to the branch book drop. Based on your request, we can pull books from any of our 14 branches, and you can select any of our 14 branches to pick the books up at. During the provincial lockdown and stay-at-home order, all Kawartha Lakes Public Library branches are open for pickup service only.